August 2024. We're by the River Ault by Formby. Network Rail, this is their compound at the moment, next to Altcar firing range. That's what the bangs are in the distance. This was all shrublands, trees. They've cut it all down to make access to do this bridge here. This is a cycle lane between Formby and Hall Road, well used. This bridge is going to be replaced with a new concrete bridge. They put a pontoon there in case anyone falls in the deep water. The access was always there underneath it. Kids just hang out in it. 60 or 70 mile an hour speed limit on the train line, Merseyrail Liverpool to Southport line. Going to be shut for a week. Not sure about the cycle path. This is the cycle lane here. River Ault, access for the workies, steps, scaffolding. They've already strung the telecom cables from a cable supported there, and that water there always seems to be running. As you can see, the embankment there is pretty shot at, but obviously I think it's strong enough. Don't have to replace that as well. And then the cycle lane goes down there towards Hall Road. Another little access point here. All done really neatly. It's took them quite a few weeks to get all this sorted, and it's going to take them a week to replace this bridge. That looks a bit dodgy now. Plenty of scrap for China, because as everyone knows, we haven't got any more steelworks left like we used to. Thanks for watching. So I don't know if this path is going to be shut. There's no signs, of diversion signs gone up yet, but it's a diversion along a major busy road. Not very good. Thanks for watching. Bye then.